Good day again, grade 9. Here's another video on how to solve problems involving angle of depression. So here, it states that a person stands at the window of a building so that his eyes are 12.6 meter above the level ground. An object is on the ground 58.5 meters away from the building on a line directly beneath the person. Compute the angle of depression of the person's line of sight to the object on the ground. So, the building, pwede naman natin simulan doon. So, meron daw building dito. Excuse me. Okay. So, meron daw person na nakatayo doon sa may window ng building. So, sabihin natin nandito yung person sa part na to. Okay. So, sabihin natin nandito yung person. Okay. Now, his eyes are 12.6 meter above the level ground. So, kung nandito yung level ground, wait, para pantay naman. Yan. So, kung nandito yung level ground natin, okay, ang sabi ay, yung height daw mula dun sa level ground papunta dun sa eyes ng observer ay 12.6 meter. So, label lang natin yan. So, mula dito hanggang dito, yun yung tinutukoy. So, that is 12.6 meters. Okay. Mula doon, lagyan natin ang line. Hanggang dito. Okay. Now, ang sabi, an object is on the ground 58.5 meters away from the building on a line directly beneath the person. So, merong line 58.5 meters away from the building. So, label lang natin yon. This is 58.5 meters. So, ito yung object. Okay? Now, we're asked to find the angle of depression of the person's line of sight to the object on the ground. So, para hindi tayo malito, ito yung horizontal line natin. Okay? Then, nandito, yung line of sight nung observer. Pababa, kasi angle of depression nga. So, ngayon, hinahanap yung angle or yung theta in between the horizontal line and our line of sight. So, yun yung hinahanap natin. Ayusin ko lang yung figure. Ayan. So, medyo inayos ko lang yung figure natin para mas maging straight yung ating mga edges. Now, so, here is the horizontal line. This is the line of sight. Hinahanap daw yung angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight of the observer or the person to the object on the ground. So, here's the object on the ground. Ngayon, tandaan natin, this segment is congruent to this one and this one is congruent to this. So, label lang natin yung mga yun. This will be 12.6 meters then. This is 58.5 meters then. So with that, if this is our reference angle, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So opposite, adjacent. So sa SOHCAHTOA, that would be TOA. So that would be tangent theta is equal to the opposite, which is 12.6 all over the adjacent, which is 58.5. So, from your calculator, that would be theta is equal to the inverse tangent of 12.6 all over 58.5. Diretso, mga anak, hindi na po natin i-divide muna kasi mag-iiba yung value. So, sa calculator, shift tangent 12.6 over 58.5. And the answer would be 12.15 degrees. Now, tandaan, kung wala pong fraction function, pwede rin namang 12.6 divided by 58.5. Now, sa calculator kong to, pwede kahit na hindi ko lagyan ng close parenthesis, pero sa iba kailangan. Pero if you would notice, we still have the same answer. That is 12.15 degrees. So, for your extra recitation, here's the problem. From an airplane at an altitude or height of 1,200 meters, the angle of depression to a rock on the ground measures 28 degrees. Find the distance from the plane to the rock. Don't forget to include your name and section.